How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Lead Therapy, and I really appreciate you taking your time tuning into the video. Earlier today I recorded a video, and then later on me and my daughter and grandson went out and did some errands and did some grocery shopping. And while we were out, I found out the ATF ruling on pistol braces had been published. So of course that video that I recorded earlier today I'll most likely release tomorrow. But as far as the pistol brace ruling, it's not like we didn't know it was coming. We pretty much knew what was in it, but now it's been published. And simply you have 120 days to decide what you're going to do with your pistols that have braces on them. You can comply with the government and register it as a short-barreled rifle, but it's so nice of them not to charge the $200 tax stamp to do so. Or you could remove the pistol braces and then you would be in compliance. And it's all over something like this: an SB Tactical pistol brace, some plastic and Velcro that could make you a felon if you don't do what you're told in 120 days. Very rarely do I swear in my videos, but I'm gonna warn you now, if you don't want to hear it, you might as well just change the channel. This is absolutely fucking ridiculous. They've changed their mind over and over again, almost more than they changed their underwear. There had been no problems for years and years us using these. And then they came out and said you couldn't shoulder these at all. Then they came out later and said you could sporadically shoulder these. And now you must follow the rules or else. It's just a constant battle, us trying to keep our Second Amendment rights. So I've heard a number of different things what people said they're going to do. Some have said they're going to go ahead and comply and register their firearm as a short-barreled rifle because they don't have to pay the $200 tax stamp. But just remember, you have to take a picture of that firearm that it has a pistol brace on it. But then you can't turn around and put a stock on it. Some people said they're just going to take their pistol braces off for now and let the courts decide. And then I've had some say they're not going to comply at all and they're not going to take the pistol braces off. They're going to keep them on. And of course that's a personal choice. This particular brace that I have has no home for it because I purchased it to do a pistol build. So I have to decide what I'm going to do. But like I said, it's just a constant attack on our Second Amendment rights, whether it be from your city, your state, or our federal government. And there's no other constitutional right that is treated this way. But yet we continue to let this shit happen. Like I said earlier, when is enough enough? Is this where we draw the line in the sand? Is this the straw that broke the camel's back? But I don't know about you guys, but I've had enough. Once again, they say this is going to save lives. Because when you put a pistol brace on an AR-15 or AK style or 9mm or whatever pistol that we're talking about, that those pistols are easily concealable. Maybe during the wintertime when you're wearing a long overcoat. But how is it easy to conceal an AR-15 pistol with a brace when it's 90 to 100 degrees outside? Because when I lived in Florida and it's 90 degrees outside and about that much humidity, you would look pretty freaking suspicious walking around wearing a long sleeve shirt or even a coat during that time. It just makes no fucking sense whatsoever. My blood is just boiling, my face is just hot because I'm just so mad at this crap. And you should be too. And I'm pretty sure that you are. Sure, there will be lawsuits, plenty of them. But as we've seen in states where they're doing so-called assault weapons bans and magazine bans, the law is passed. Then there's a lawsuit. A judge says it's legal. Then it goes to another court and that judge puts a stay on the ruling. And then it goes back and forth, back and forth. It's really like they're playing tennis with our Second Amendment rights. That's exactly what it is. They're playing tennis with our Second Amendment rights. And the shit has got to stop. And just don't think because we have Republicans in control of the House now that it's going to be any better. We would like to hope so, but in the past they've shown their true colors. So I appreciate your guys' support very much. And I just want to know from you guys, have you had enough? Because I sure have. As always, please help the channel out by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications. I greatly appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.